Sailing on Sunny is the best! Keep animating, everyone! Happy creating!
Hello, kids! Remember to stay safe and make way for the emergency vehicles.
We're on our way! Ice cream! Yay! It's the ice cream truck! Come on!
The SS Discovery is a special kind of boat called a research vessel. It helps scientists explore the big blue ocean.
This is incredible!
Look at that view down there!
Welcome aboard the 2TU submarine. We're exploring the colorful coral reef, home to clownfish and blue tangs. Riding the rails on a sunny day, the Rainbow Express is on its way. This looks like a wonderful spot.
Activating the sparkle beam.
Oh, how lovely!
Check this out! I'm riding the waves! Check out the maneuverability on the Skyhawk X1. Next stop, the upper atmosphere. Hi, everyone! Look at that island over there!
This is the best vacation ever.